Now, when you're out and about again, you want to make sure that you know, okay, is it time to go to this place? Is it not time to go? Because we have that notion of siesta, don't we, when we're in Spain? When you have that time, basically when you take off for lunch and you're going to rest, the original notion was to get out of the heat of the day. And so you take this little break period. But that means that shops are closed in the middle of the day. You think, well, I have money to spend. Well, sorry, we're doing our cultural thing and we're taking our siesta right now. So is it abierto? Abierto. Or cerrado? Cerrado. What is this? What is that? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? And that thing over there, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? Yeah, so the farther one is eso. The closer one is esto. What is this? What is that? And how much does it cost? I want that. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Is it free? Is it included? ¿Es gratis? ¿Es gratis? No. Probably the answer is no. That's okay. Do you have? ¿Tiene? ¿Tiene? And that could be anything. Do you have napkins? Do you have another size? Whatever it is. Or if you're referring to a thing, let's say you have an allergy, does it have whatever, salt? ¿Tiene sal? Okay, you can just use that same exact word. Does it have? Do you have? I would like. Me gustaría. Me gustaría. Me gustaría. Me gustaría. A menu, and we're going to give you two options for this. You can either say el menú, which is very common, and you'll hear that, but also la carta. La carta. Both are interchangeable in essence, okay? So keep in mind that you might hear one or the other. A little bit or a little bit of is un poco, un poco de, whatever this or that thing is that you want. A lot or a lot of, mucho, mucho de, whatever it is that you want. And do you want more of it? Do you want less of it? Más, menos. Más, menos. Más o menos. Más o menos. Also a very common response for how's it going? Más o menos. More or less, it's okay. I'd like some water. Un poco de agua. Un poco de agua. Mm-hmm. And if you want a carafe of water, then you can ask for una jarra de agua. Una jarra de agua. How about a glass of red or white wine? Now be careful here. Red, we're not going to say the color red. We're going to say it a little bit different. We're going to say una copa. So that's your glass or your cup, your goblet. Una copa de vino tinto. Una copa de vino tinto. Okay, so it's tinted a red color, even though it's just red. Or white wine. Una copa de vino blanco. Una copa de vino blanco. Or how about a glass of beer? Una caña. Una caña. Now that is particular to Spain, okay, and it's just a nice average size glass, nothing too big. Or if you just order generically una cerveza, you're going to get that. Okay, but again, una caña in Spain only will ask for that. It's the shortest way of saying a glass of beer.